windmill X, the sides all together. I have taken it to the iron, pressed all the seams open, so when you turn it right side out, you have the pretty shape of your bag with the 4 points, which each of these points will have a handle. So it should look like this. Once you've got everything sewn together, let's set that aside. At this point, make sure you have pockets ready to go on the lining if you're going to add pockets. Also, your key fob tabs. This is the one I'm going to put in here. When you cut it with the interfacing given, it is 2.5 by 5. I think I'm actually, when I turned mine, I think it's too wide. I'm going to actually fold mine in half again and stitch it up so that my key fob is now 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch by 5. And when you double it up, I think it'll be a better size for the key fobs. Make sure you have your handles ready and top stitched, the linings sewn to your 2 handles and top stitched, ready to go, because the next thing we're going to do is sew our linings together. So at this point, you should have your iron-on fleece attached to your 4 lining panels, all ironed down, ready to go. And we're going to make that same configuration to sew these together. Now, these aren't marked, but you should remember by now how we did that. Put them up in the air in the same direction that you had your outer bag panels facing. Flip them over, right sides together, right sides up, and flip panel 4 over 1. And you're going to take it to the sewing machine and just sew the short side down, and do the same with the other panel. Make sure you get them in the same direction so that you have, when you're done, everything is sewn correctly. So this way, and then this way, and then we'll turn them around and stitch the 4 together. So let's work on those linings now. Again, you're going to sew the short side. You're going to sew a short side to a long side, basically. Sew off the outer edge, only sew up to a 1/4 inch on the inner edge. Okay, do that, and then we'll be back.